Here we need to first create an empty list. So we're going to do that. We're going to call it numbers because we're going to be working with numbers. Then it says add 6 numbers to that using a for loop. And we will also need to calculate an average later. Because we're going to calculate the average later, I'm going to create a total variable and set it to 0. This is so we can add the sum of the numbers together later on. So now I've created my for loop that loops 6 times, and I'm going to ask the user for 6 numbers. So this for loop will loop 6 times, and this will ask for a number. Once we've asked for a number, we need to add that to the list. So to add it to a list, we need to use the list name, which is numbers, and then dot append. Dot append means add it to the end of the list. And then we're adding num to it. We also need to add that number to the total. So we created a variable called total, and then we can add that number to it. Now this is so we can calculate the average later on, because to calculate the average you need the total, you need to add all the numbers together and you divide it by that many numbers. For example, if you're finding the average of 2 numbers, you add the 2 numbers together and then you divide it by 2. Once we've done that, it says display the first number in the list. So we print numbers and then 0. Index 0 will display the first one. Fourth number, that's going to be on index 3. And then it says calculate and display the average of the numbers. Now we've already done the total, which will make it easy for us. Because we've done the total, all we need is divide the total by 6. So total divided by 6, because we have 6 numbers in the array. Now all we do is we just display the total. Oh well, the average. And we're done.